Leviticus chapter 26 Reward for obedience. You shall make for yourself not idol and erect, nor covered images or pillars, and you shall not place figured stone in your land. You worship at them, for I am the Lord your God. You shall keep my Sabbath and reverence my sanctuary. I am the Lord. If you follow my statutes and keep my commandments and observe them faithfully, I will give you your rain in the season, and the land shall yield its produce, and the tree of the field shall yield their fruits. The treasuring shall overtake and vintage, and the vintage shall overtake and sowing. You shall eat your bread to the full, and live securely in your land. And I will grant peace in the land, and you shall lie down, and no one shall break you upright. I will remove dangerous animals from the land, and no sword shall go through your land. You shall give chase to your enemy, and they shall fall before you by the sword. 5 of you shall give chase to 100, and 100 of you shall give chase to 10,000. Your enemy shall fall before you by the sword. I will look with favor upon you, and make you fruitful, and multiply you, and I will maintain my covenant with you. You shall eat all grain long stored, and you shall have to clear out the old to make way for the new. I will place my dwelling in your midst, and I shall not abhor you, and I will walk among you, and I will be your God, and you shall be my people. I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of the land of Egypt to be their slave. No more I have broken the bar of your yoke and made you walk erect. Penalties for disobedience. But if you will not obey me and do not observe all these commandments, if you spurn my statutes and observe my ordinance, so that you will not observe all my commandments and you break my covenants, I in turn will do this to you. I will bring terror on you, consumption and fever that waste the eyes and cause life to pine away. You shall sow you seeds in vain, for your enemies shall eat it. I will set my face against you, and you shall be struck down by your enemy. Your foes shall rule over you, and you shall flee through. No one pursues you, and if in spite of this you will not obey me, I will continue to punish you in sevenfold of your sin. I will break your proud glory, and I will make you sky like iron, and your earth like copper. Your strength shall be spent to no purpose. Your land shall not yield its produce, and the tree of this land shall not yield their fruits. If you continue hostile to me, and I will not obey me, I will continue to purge you sevenfold for your sin. I will let loose wild animals against you, and they shall preserve you of your children and destroy your livestock. They shall make you few in number, and your roads shall be deserted. If in spite of this punishment you have not turned back to me, but continue hostile to me, then I too will continue hostile to you. I myself will strike you sevenfold for your sin. I will bring the sword against you, executing vengeance of the covenants, and if you withdraw within your city, I will send pestilence amongst you, and you shall be delivered into an enemy's hand. When I break your staff of bread, 10 women shall bake your bread in a single oven, and they shall dole out your bread by weight, and though you eat, you shall not be satisfied. But if despite this you disobey me and continue hostile to me, I will continue hostile to you in fury. I in turn will punish you myself sevenfold for your sin. You shall eat my flesh of your son, and you shall eat the flesh of your daughter. I will destroy your high place and cut down your increased altar. I will heap your carcasses on the carcasses of your idols. I will absorb you, I will lay your cities waste. I will make you sanctuaries desolate, and I will not smell your pleasuring odors. I will vacate the land so that your enemies who come to settle in the shall be appalled at it. And you, I will scatter among the nations, and I will unscatter the sword against you. Your land shall be desolation, and your cities a waste. Then the land shall enjoy its Sabbath year as long as it lies desolate, while you are in the land of your enemies. Then the land shall rest and enjoy its Sabbath years as long as it lies desolate. It shall have the rest, did not have know your Sabbath, when you were living on it. And as for those of you who survive, I will send faithlessness into their heart, in the land of their enemies. The sound of a driven leaf shall put them to flight, and they shall flee as one flee from the sword, and they shall fall to no one. No one pursues, they shall stumble over one another. As if to escape the sword, so no one pursues, and you shall have no power to stand against you. Enemies, you shall perish among the nations, and the land of your enemies shall prefer you. And those of you who survive shall linguistic in your land of your enemies. Because of the linguistic also they shall linguist because of the linguistic of their ancestor. But if they confess their linguistic and the linguistic of their ancestor, in that they commit treachery against me, and moreover that they continue hostile to me, so that I in turn continue hostile to them and brought them in the land of their enemy. If then their unsearching heart is humbled and they made amends for their iniquity, then will I remember my covenant with Jacob. I will remember also my covenant with Isaac, and also I remember covenants with Abraham, and I will remember the land, for the land shall be deserted by them, and enjoy its Sabbath year by lying desolate without him, while they shall make amends for their iniquity because of their to perform my ordinance, and they observe my statutes here. For all that when they are in the land of their enemy, I will not perform them or absorb them, so that destroy them utterly, and break my covenant with them. For I am the Lord their God, but I will remember in their favor that covenant with their ancestors, whom I brought out of the land of Egypt in the sight of the nations, to be but their God. I am the Lord. These are the statutes and ordinances the Lord established between himself and the people of Israel and Mount Sinai to Moses.